Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for taking the time. I really appreciate it. Today is a very exciting day because for the first time we are going to talk about side hustle ideas that you can start. I've delayed shooting this kind of content because I was looking for something that either I've applied or I understand, and it's very realistic. So today I have the perfect 4 side hustle ideas that you can start even if you decide to ufuna kuqala kusasa. So without wasting any more time, let's dive straight to it. So the first side hustle idea that you can start is selling on Takealot. So for you to sell on Takealot, the requirements are you need to have a business that is registered. You need to have applied with Takealot, which you want to sell through the Takealot platform, right? So if you wanna do that, you need to go on Google, type sell on Takealot. Then you'll click sell on Takealot. Then you'll find a form where you're going to fill in details about your business and the product that you are going to sell. The third thing is you need to have a product, because what are we doing if we don't have a product? So those are the 3 things that are mostly required for you to sell on Takealot. And hey, if you want me to do a video on how to register to sell on Takealot or where you can get products to sell on Takealot, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll know that I need to do that video. So let's go to the next side hustle. So the second side hustle idea that you can start is helping people register my business wabo. You can do this within 30 minutes. You can do this within an hour. As long as mundu agnigete onge details work, which includes full name, ID, residential, business name, how many shareholders, how many shares do they want to distribute among my shareholders, all that. You can do that within 30 minutes, then you're done. You are paid. Some people pay 1.5 to get their businesses registered. You can even help people do their SARS. You can even help people do their bank account, business bank accounts, and they pay you. Here's what I've learned. People can pay any amount just for convenience because we are lazy. We don't want to do the work. We just don't want to deal with the stress of typing, thinking, and all that. So if you can do that for someone and they pay you, why not take it? Why not use that opportunity? So help people register their business, then they pay you. You're done. And the third thing is graphic design. Okay, wait. Before you bounce off and say, I'm not good at sketchy and all that, think about this. So now there's a lot of websites, apps that just comes with templates to do anything. If someone ufuna a logo, if someone ufuna a CV, there's a template for that. Free money. Or why not use that opportunity? I do most of my thumbnails on Canva. I do most of my CV on Canva. You can just use Canva and do that for people. Start telling people you can do CVs for them. If they pay you like 150, they can pay you 200. You can do all those things through Canva. The thing is, there's templates for that. You don't have to be the genius. There's templates. Use that opportunity to make a little bit of money on the side. So start that kind of a side hustle where you just go to the template, customize it, send it to someone, you get paid. You're done. So let's take a breather here and digest everything that I've just mentioned. I said a lot. So here's the thing. Everything you will find all the links in the description below, whether you want to sell on Takealot, whether you want to help people register my business wabo, whether you want access to Canva, everything is in the description below. And please make sure to subscribe, like this video, share feedback if you found any value from this video. We're done. Let's go to the last part. Now the last side hustle idea is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It's you recommending a certain product by a brand for a commission. Let's say you give a review of a certain product or that you've used before. Then what do? You drop a link to people that are interested to buy the product layer. So as soon as I click a link layer, it will take them straight to purchasing the product layer, right? But here's the thing, you need to look for these brands that have affiliate programs. Not all businesses have affiliate programs, so you need to look for those companies or businesses that have my affiliate programs. So you register with them and you will receive the link layer that when these reviews, you'll drop the link layer, then people, when they click it, they will automatically know what they bought the product level through your link, which means you'll get commission. Sometimes it's 50%, sometimes it's 20%. It just depends. Your business is when it comes to commission distribution. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I hope you got a lot of value. Please make sure to subscribe, like this video, share feedback. I would love to hear from you. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.